Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need admin access. Sign in now. Once signed in, open settings using the Start menu or press Win+I. This jumps you straight to system controls. Then navigate to Personalization and choose Colors. Make sure you're not in tablet mode because some color options differ. This first step puts you where Windows stores color choices, and it's necessary before the step that actually changes the taskbar appearance. Proceed when you see the Colors page. Don't skip it. On the Colors page, decide whether to use light or dark mode because contrast affects visibility. Next, toggle Show Accent Color on Start, Taskbar, and Action Center. This option controls the taskbar specifically. Then choose either a Windows color or click Custom Color to pick an exact hue. You can enter RGB values for precision. Once you pick a color, Windows previews it. If you want the taskbar only, turn off the title bar accent afterward to isolate the change. After selecting the accent, sign out and back in or restart Windows Explorer to ensure the taskbar updates immediately. This forces the shell to reload. If the color still won't apply, make sure high contrast is off and you aren't using a third-party theme that blocks accents. As a last resort, run System File Checker. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files. That usually fixes UI issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.